There's a Toyota Land Cruiser out there right now with over 1.6 million miles on the odometer. Not a typo, 1.6 million. That's the equivalent of driving to the moon and back 3 times in the same car, and it's still running. Toyota has built over 200 million vehicles across its history, but only a handful of them didn't just sell well, they became legends. One survived being burned, drowned, and crushed under a collapsing building on live television. One is the single best-selling car any human being has ever manufactured, more than the Beetle, more than the Model T. And one built a cult following so intense that 2 decades later, people are still hunting one down and paying more for it used than it cost brand new. If you're new here, welcome to Car 247. Every single week, we break down the 5 best cars from a different brand, backed by real reliability data and real ownership records, not guesswork and not hype. Honda's coming, Ford's coming, BMW and Hyundai too. So if you don't want to miss the next one, hit subscribe right now before we even get into today's list. Because trust me, once you see how this Toyota ranking plays out, you're going to want to see if Honda can even compete. Let's count down the 5 best Toyotas ever made and the exact reason each one earned its spot. Number 5. Toyota Camry. Starting at number 5, the car everyone loves to call boring, the Camry. Here's the twist nobody expects. In Consumer Reports' most recent durability rankings, the Camry didn't just do fine, it finished in first place overall, ahead of the Honda CR-V, with the 2025 model earning well above average scores for both reliability and owner satisfaction, beating an SUV as a sedan in an SUV-obsessed market. And it's not just tough anymore, it's smart. The current generation Camry is only available as a full hybrid, and it returns an EPA-estimated 44 to 51 miles per gallon depending on trim. Read that number again. A full-sized family sedan sipping fuel like a compact hatchback while quietly outlasting cars that cost twice as much to buy and own. Think about what that actually means for an owner. You're not choosing between reliable and efficient anymore. For decades, that was usually the trade-off. Buy something bulletproof or buy something cheap to run, pick one. The Camry just refused to pick. Why does it win? Because boring was never the insult people assumed it was. It's the exact reason this car quietly outlasts almost everything parked next to it in a dealership lot. Number 4 is the vehicle aid workers, militaries, and off-grid survivalists trust more than anything else on Earth, the Land Cruiser. Remember that 1.6 million mile Land Cruiser from the intro? That's not a freak accident, it's a pattern. Owners regularly report these SUVs crossing 300,000 to 400,000 miles with the original engine still intact, no rebuild, no replacement. And that reputation is exactly why the newly redesigned Land Cruiser helped push Toyota back to the top spot in Consumer Reports' overall brand reliability rankings this year, along with the redesigned 4Runner. Here's what really separates this SUV from almost everything else on the road. This isn't a car people baby in a heated garage on weekends. These are vehicles doing actual, punishing work, crossing deserts in temperatures that would cook most engines, running humanitarian supply routes through regions with zero infrastructure, surviving conditions that would put most modern SUVs in a repair shop within a single year. There's a reason you don't see luxury SUVs doing that job. You see Land Cruisers. Why does it win? Because when there's no tow truck coming, no dealership for 1,000 miles, and failure genuinely isn't an option, this is the one vehicle professionals actually bet their lives on. Not their commute, their lives. Number 3 has a story so wild you'll assume it's exaggerated for the video. It's not. The Hilux. A UK TV show once tried to permanently destroy a Hilux on camera on purpose. They dropped it from a height onto concrete. They set it on fire. They drowned it in seawater. They finally crushed it under a collapsing building. The truck still started on the first try. That single stunt didn't just go viral. It built decades of real-world trust across markets where a broken truck isn't an inconvenience, it's a livelihood lost. And that trust is a huge reason the Hilux remains one of the most exported, most battle-tested pickup trucks on the entire planet, running daily in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from African mining routes to Middle Eastern desert terrain. Why does it win? Because you cannot fake that reputation. No marketing department writes that script and gets away with it. The truck earned this one the hard way, on camera, in front of millions of skeptical viewers who fully expected it to fail. Real quick before we get to the top 2, if you're keeping score at home, comment your current ranking right now before I reveal mine. I guarantee at least one of the next 2 surprises you. Number 2, and the numbers here are almost impossible to fully comprehend, the Corolla. Over 50 million units sold worldwide, not 50 million Toyotas total, 50 million Corollas specifically, making it the best-selling car nameplate in human history. It didn't just beat other Toyotas, it beat the Volkswagen Beetle, it beat the Model T, it beat every single car nameplate manufactured by anyone, anywhere in the entire history of the automobile. And here's the part that should really sink in. It's not a museum piece coasting on nostalgia. In 2025 alone, the Corolla sold around 980,000 units, keeping it in the global top 3 best-selling cars, going head-to-head with brand-new electric vehicles from Tesla and still winning against them. 12 generations, nearly 60 straight years, sold in over 150 countries, produced across more than a dozen factories worldwide. That's not luck. That's not one good decade. That's an unbroken streak that most car companies would sell their entire lineup to have just one model achieve. Why does it win? Because for almost 69 years, it never stopped doing the one thing people actually wanted from it. It never got greedy chasing trends. It never tried to reinvent itself into something flashy and unrecognizable. It just kept showing up generation after generation exactly when people needed something dependable. And the #1 Toyota ever made, the car that turned an entire generation into lifelong car obsessives, the Supra. The Supra doesn't top this list because of a sales chart, and it doesn't top it because of a reliability score either. It's here because of what it represents. Built on a reputation for handling serious aftermarket performance modifications that most factory engines simply cannot survive, it became a genuine cult icon in racing and tuning culture decades ago, long before most people watching this video were even driving. And that legacy didn't fade, it compounded. That's exactly why used Supras today command resale prices that make almost no rational financial sense on paper. People aren't paying for a car, they're paying for a piece of culture that Toyota can't just manufacture more of on demand. Why does it win? Because some cars get remembered for what they did on a spec sheet. This one gets remembered for what it made an entire generation of drivers feel behind the wheel, and that's a far harder thing for any manufacturer to engineer. Honorable mentions. Now, before you flood the comments, yes, we see you. There are at least 4 more Toyotas that almost broke into this top 5, and honestly, on a different day, any one of them could have. The AE86 practically built the entire drifting subculture from scratch, decades before drift events were mainstream. The 4Runner has one of the most fanatical overlanding followings of any SUV in the world, with owners treating 300,000 plus miles as barely broken in. The MR2 is quietly one of the most underrated mid-engine sports cars Toyota ever built, criminally overlooked next to flashier competitors. And the Tacoma has built a reputation for owners hitting 500,000 miles on the original engine and transmission with almost no drama along the way. None of them cracked today's top 5, but don't be shocked if one of them headlines its own full video very soon. So that's the final ranking, the Camry that refuses to fail, no matter how boring people call it, the Land Cruiser trusted anywhere failure genuinely isn't an option, the Hilux that survived being destroyed on purpose, on camera, in front of the world, the Corolla that outsold every single car ever made by any manufacturer in human history, and the Supra that built its entire legend on emotion, not specs. Now here's my question for you. Out of these 5, which one would you actually put in your own driveway? Not the coolest one on paper, the one you genuinely trust with your daily life. Drop it in the comments below, and if you think I got this ranking wrong, tell me exactly why, because next week we're running this same breakdown for Honda, and I have a strong feeling that list is about to start an argument. Subscribe to Car 247 so you don't miss it. New brand rankings every single week.